Hello, this is K. Kim from ACBM TECH. Today is October 24, 24 and the invoice is 103,408. The product you are looking at is the OMCAN ERT12 Meat Grinder. The problem the customer mentioned was electrical shock. Can you take a look at this first? It's a power cable, and the wire shielding is peeling off. And the plug has a cut in it. Also, the power cable is very stiff. In this case, if the cable is folded or daisy-chained, the copper wires inside can break. Based on my inspection, it appears to be a power cable issue. I'm back with a mechanic's inspection and solution. It was indeed a power cable issue and we replaced it with a new one. I put the new power cord in and it works fine with no electrical shock. However, there was another problem I didn't mention. Can you take a quick look at this? Let me show you under the machine. Do you see the 4 legs? It didn't have any legs at first. If the meat grinder was on a steel table and the torn power cable was touching the steel table, you would have felt an electrical shock even if you touched the table. Let me explain you what the legs do. When a machine is turned by a motor, centrifugal force causes the machine to wobble. I'm going to power it up. See? Machines that run on centrifugal force wear out their legs a lot. That's because they move a little bit because of this centrifugal force. But what happens if those legs are worn out and not doing their job properly? The machine takes the brunt of the impact. And then invisibly, the machine breaks down. You can see why the legs are attached to a machine. That is driven by centrifugal force using a motor. If yours is missing or worn out and not functioning properly, be sure to replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching and understanding.